Can't stop.
It's your mom giggling downstairs. I only heard the last one before I came out. Why does this keep happening to you?
I don't know.
Maybe it's something about sitting at that corner. Probably seems rude that I'm not saying bless you, but...
But you're busy recording.
Also, I'd have to say it a million times. Bye!
Boy.
Jeez. What?
What are you telling me?
What the? What? Mom's just giggling at you.
I know, I can hear.
You sound stuffed up. What? What the?
Boy, I don't know what that is.
I haven't been counting, so I don't even know how many that was.
Too many.
You're putting us in suspense. I don't know whether to count that as 1 or 1.5.
Drill.
Okay, you're gonna be mad if I post this to YouTube, aren't you?
Yeah, yes.
Mom's laughing. Well, you know I'm filming, so that means something.
So that means something.
You're just exploding out of all ends.
Mom laughs at that.
You're probably done by now. Usually there's only like a 5-second pause.
I don't know.
Yeah, he got up and just farted.
You know, I just noticed that there's a gap in the wood here.
Oh yeah, there is.
I still like sitting here and seeing people's faces up there.
Yeah. Hi, Mumsy.
Yeah, where did this come from?
It's probably been there the whole time.
Well, I'm sure it has. Like, why was it there?
Well, then how would we know where it came from?
They must have had something across here or something.
You done now?
No.
Don't drip down here. Your head's gonna get stuck.
My head's gonna get stuck?
It's not that
How
big.
how big do you think my head is?
Are you making a joke about his ego or something? You'd have a balloon head. Get the butter.
Oh, it's getting late.
It sounds
Yeah.
like you're making a joke about his ego.
I got a 3-foot wide head.
3 foot wide.
3 foot wide. I think she meant up, like upwards.
Yeah.
Upwards.
Dad was having an attack. And he got up and farted.
And then I'm sticking my head in here and through the into the basement. And Mom thinks I'm gonna get my head stuck in here.
Well, because it looks like
It's like a 4 or 5 foot gap.
Yeah, like how.
you're not sitting down here. It just looks funny.
Well, it must look like his head is even smaller from down there.
That's
Actually,
a Mom.
no, it looks like, well, especially with your whole body. Okay, maybe your whole body gets stuck like that. Your shoulders.
I can crawl my whole body through here.
Try it.
Okay, it just looks funny. See, I laughed. You got stuck.
I wouldn't get stuck, but I might fall down.
Oh, that would have been funny. I thought you were gonna keep going.
So I don't trust this lady down here.
Hi, Leo.
I went feet first.
Don't break it.
Where's my little
Cats and cans.
over there?
Cats in a can?
You're gonna break this.
There. There. Julia dared me.
I'm filming.
Dad's filming it, or Julie's filming it.
I know. See, I made it.
Dad, you're like a big kid. She dared me.
Dork.
A
I'm
dork?
a dork.
He's a rebel. He just climbed through a tiny hole to...
Yeah, that my head couldn't fit through.
Yeah. See?
Don't fart, please.
Well, that would be funny.
No, it wouldn't.
For me, it would. I'm not right
Not
there.
for me.
She's sleeping on the bed up here.
Yeah, one of them is always. I don't know what they're gonna do next weekend. Bella's scared of you. Can you blow your nose?
It's not stuffed up.
It's sniffly.
Oh, a little bit.
I'm sneezing.
It's sniffly.
Sniffly.
This is gonna make for an incredible video. Oh, I'm gonna put a counter on all the sneezes.
I need this.
Did you record them?
Yeah. As I was going up the stairs, I pushed the button.
Just got me sneezing 20 times and then farting.
Yeah. Right when you get up, right when you stop sneezing, you fart.
What a family we have.
Oh, this is just an everyday moment for us.
It's another day in life of us.
Yep. There's nothing unusual. The end.